Today, we're going to show you how to replace the Cradle hardware on your Force Kraken Trolling Motor. We would recommend having 2 people for this process. For this process, you will need a No. 2 Phillips head screwdriver, small flathead screwdriver, 4mm hex bit driver, and the Cradle hardware kit. Make sure the trolling motor is in the stowed position before replacing the latch hardware. Then, remove the 3 screws securing the right shroud using a 4mm hex bit driver. Remove the right shroud. Repeat this process with the left shroud. Now, remove the tension springs holding the foot lever. Take note of where the tension spring hole hooks on the mount. Remove the 2 screws holding the latch pusher on the right and left side of the mount using a No. 2 Phillips head screwdriver. Pinch and remove the latch pusher from the outside to release it. Repeat this on the opposite side. Pivot the latch pusher linkage on each side of the mount up 45 degrees and slide off to detach the foot lever. Release the tension spring holding the cradle latch on each side. Next, remove the screw from the bushing that secures the cradle pad using a 4mm hex bit driver. Repeat this process on both sides. Now, have another person hold the shaft and push the motor out to release the cradle pad. Then, remove the bushing and cradle pad on both sides of the mount. Remove the screw holding the 18mm bushing latch hook from both sides of the mount using a 4mm hex bit driver. Now, apply grease to the replacement 18mm pivot bushings. Insert the new cradle latch tension spring from the bottom of the cradle latch. Install the replacement latch hook using a 4mm hex bit driver. With another person holding the shaft, push the motor out to make room for the cradle pad. Then, install the replacement cradle pad using a 4mm hex bit driver. Repeat these steps for the opposite side. Now, attach the cradle pad to the latch hook. Next, attach the other end of the tension spring to the designated slot on the cradle hook. Attach the latch pusher linkage on both sides of the trolling motor mount. Slide the latch pusher linkage onto the slot of the foot lever at a 45-degree angle and pivot it down to align with the mount slot for it. Ensure the cradle hook is positioned in the slot of the latch pusher linkage. Insert the latch pushers on each side of the mount to the latch pusher linkage. Tighten the 2 screws on each latch pusher using a Phillips head screwdriver. Then, attach the 2 tension springs for the foot lever. Now, reattach the left and right shroud. Lastly, tighten the 3 screws on each shroud using a 4mm hex bit driver. And that's it. Thanks for watching. For more help, please visit marinesupport.garmin.com.